When you refuse to pay someone to get the knowledge, what happens is that you end up screwing yourself. As much as people hate the challenges, I think the challenges are everything. The reason I say that is I had to learn everything on my own. I didn't have any entrepreneurship background. And I learned that there's something called coaches and consultants and people I can ask to understand what I don't know. Ever since I discovered that, I literally went from every single person that I consider success. I'm like, hey, can you tell me how you overcame this? Like, what do you do about hiring? I literally had a CPA here last Friday. I asked them, what should be my margin for this? How much overhead? I am learning from people that I know way more than me in that subject matter. And all I have to do is ask them. Like, can you tell me this piece? And if I had to pay you $5,000 to know one piece of information, I believe it's worth every penny, because it would have cost me $50,000 to learn that on my own. It's so much easier to pay you $5,000 to teach me something I don't know. It's like, hey, tell me about this tax law. Tell me about this. If I had a CPA, I'll pick their brain out for like 15 minutes and I'll be like, you just saved me $500,000. How much is that worth? Is that worth $50,000? I think so. When you refuse to pay someone to get the knowledge, what happens is that you end up screwing yourself. My growth was really slow until I discovered that I can get a coach. Then I found me a coach. Then I realized that that coach is only helping me with one thing and I have 5 other problems. So I'm like, crap, I need a coach for this thing. Did you know that I didn't even have a mindset coach until very recently because I didn't care about it? I thought it was like, what's a mindset coach? What are they gonna do? There's so much that they just help me out with my mindset. Like, I need to pay you because next week I'm gonna tell myself some story to not do something because I believe that in my story, and that thought becomes my feelings and my feelings becomes my action. I'm not taking captive of my own thought. I was like, snap, there's so much power here. And that's what I mean. The moment you discover that there's people out there that can help you increase your productivity, increase your efficiency, and increase your performance as a business owner, it's a game changer.